Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about the 10 commandments of computer ethics. I'm discussing now the first and second commandments from computer ethics. First is, thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. So, ibig sabihin daw sa Tagalog ay huwag nating gamitin ang computer upang makasakit ng ibang tao. Mahalaga ito sa pakikipagkapwa-tao kasi lahat tayo ay may karapatan na gumamit ng teknolohiya o ang computer sa maayos na paraan at hindi makapanakit ng ibang tao. At hindi din dapat gamitin ang computer para sa masamang layunin. Sa pamamagitan ng computer, responsibilidad din natin na may respeto sa iba. Ang paggamit ng computer daw ay may dulot din na panganib sa ating mga sarili, tulad na lamang ng pag-hack ng iyong account o pagnakaw ng iyong identity o makakuha ng pera, or ito yung tinatawag nating scam, pang-i-scam. At ang pagpakalat ng masama o maling impormasyon, ito naman yung tinatawag nating cyberbullying. Okay. Kaya, mahalagang tandaan natin na ang paggamit ng computer ay malaking responsibilidad at para wag maabuso. Okay, the second one is, thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work. Kung sa Tagalog daw ay huwag kang makialam sa trabaho ng ibang tao sa kanyang computer. Ito din ay mahalaga upang irespeto ang trabaho ng iba. Lahat tayo ay may karapatan na magtrabaho ng mapayapa at hindi maabala ng iba.
Number 3, thou shall not snoop around in other people's computers' files. It emphasizes that we should not intrude into someone else's personal belongings or private life in digital realm. It advocates for respecting boundaries and maintaining ethical standards in handling other people's information. Number 4, thou shalt not use a computer to steal. These commandments addresses the use of computers and technology in committing theft, whether it is intellectual property theft, financial fraud, or stealing someone's personal information.
Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. So, ito po ay, this commandment po is nag-emphasize the importance of honesty, integrity, when kapag gumagamit po tayo ng computers. So, it means po na we should not use a computer to spread false information. So, for example po, you should not use a computer to create fake news, fake reviews, or testimonials for a product or service. So, or to spread false or rumors. Additionally, we should not use a computer to impersonate someone else, or to create false identity. So, ayan. So, next po is, thou shall not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid. So, dito po sa software developers, we put a lot of time, effort, and money into creating their products. So, kapag when you use their software without paying for it, so we're essentially taking their work without giving them anything in return. So napaka-unfair po na napaka-unfair and disrespectful po sa mga developers. So by uh, paying for software, we're supporting the developers and helping to ensure that they can continue to create new and innovative products. So, yun po. Using software without paying for it, so often referred to as software piracy, can have a range of consequences. So, both legal and ethical. So, for example po, we have a copyright infringement. So, dito po yung software is napoprotektahan by copyright law. And using it without a license is a violation po of that copyright. So, another example po is reputational damage. So, being caught using pirated software, we can damage our reputation as a business or individual. So, it's important po na remember that using software without a valid license can have serious consequences.
7. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization or proper cooperation. Ito daw po ang mga sistema ng mischievous user. Ito po ay may tiyak na mga password at ito ay hindi ethical sa granting unstored access.
Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output is more than just a commandment. It's just a fundamental principle of respect and fairness. It's about recognizing that every creative act, every idea, every piece of original work is a product of someone's effort, passion, and of tender heart. To steal that is to steal a piece of them.
And number 9, thou shalt think about the social consequences of the program you are writing or the system you are designing. Ang isang paalala na dapat mong isaalang-alang ang mga apekto ng iyong ginagawa sa lipunan o sa mga tao. Ibig sabihin, bago ka mag-develop ng isang programa o sistema ay kailangan mo munang pag-isipan kung ano ang magiging apekto neto sa gumagamit, kung paano ito makakaapekto sa kanilang privacy, seguridad at karapatan.
Thou shalt always use a computer in ways that ensure consideration and respect for your fellow human. Using computer with respect means treating other online the way you would like to be treated in person. Be kind, honest, and mindful of privacy.